Good morning, good people. How you doing? Hope you had a wonderful holiday. Hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving, spent time with family. Just going to give you a Monday update, morning update. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, everybody. I'm going to get right into this one and make this one quick so we can get you guys off to work. All right. Today is Monday. There's a lot going on with the market. The pre-markets are a little cool right now, but let's just talk about a few things, okay? Number one, the Black Friday sale has been extended to Cyber Monday. Do yourself a favor, start Christmas shopping today, invest in yourself, right? It will not be back. Won't be back, good people. All right, good morning, and I'm going to come back and say my hellos, okay? I'm going to start from the top, all right? Hey, good morning. I see my family in here. Hey, good morning. Let's get right to it. All right. So, what I do is I generally look at Mumu, okay? For those of you that have Mumu, it gives you these morning calls, right? And sometimes I find good plays off of these morning calls. And it talks about some of the things that's going on. As you can see there, Alibaba is not having some good news. It talks about the AI chip boom, fuels Taiwan firm, all right, ByteDance. And it just goes over some things, the White House. And one of the things it talked about was Elon, right? Elon, and let's just go right to that. Let's see here. So we see here right now, Elon had a meeting with the prime minister. Okay, look at this prime minister. This guy, I could say it when it's not so early, had a meeting today following their tour of Kyiv, and all of these morning blah blah blah. PM showed Musk sanctions on firms that sections. I'm sorry. Now the story is he said some disparaging things about the Jews. Supposedly, I didn't read it, all right? Allegedly, I didn't read it. I didn't go into the whole story. And a lot of people was concerned about what it was going to do to Tesla stock, okay? And so Tesla was, suffering a little bit off of his news, anti-Semitic, all right? So we look at Tesla right now, since they've had the meeting, Tesla is actually up, right? So it's up a little bit, not by much, but it's up a little bit here. And we're going to see what the day gives us on Tesla, right? Now, let me say this. Some of you guys had Tesla puts, right? Don't let this freak you out. And sometimes you wake up in the morning, let's say you had a Tesla put on Friday. You wake up in the morning, you see this news, you freak out, and you sell too early, right? I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell, but I'm telling you something's telling me that you need to be patient with your positions for those of you that are doing puts on Tesla, okay? Be patient with your positions. This could be a big fat nothing burger. It could turn around. I don't know. Or it could continue to run up today. But all I know is me personally, when things like this happen, boom, whenever I panic sold, it wound up 80% of the time being not the right move. That's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, so then we got Alibaba. Let's look at Alibaba. As we can see, Alibaba is down a little bit right now at the time of recording this. Let's look at PDD. You guys know the Chinese company that sells all of this stuff online, PDD. I said put it on your watch list. PDD, as you can see, is doing better even over the last day than Alibaba is. So PDD is actually taking some market share away from Alibaba. And then, of course, over the month, as you can see, PDD is up by more about 15% over Alibaba. And then year to date, as you could see, PDD is killing Alibaba, right? So these are some of the things that I talked about the other day that I wanted to let you guys know. And then we had some news here that I wrote down in my notes. I just want to front end all of this to you guys. Look, the S&P NASDAQ, the S&P and the NASDAQ both have had its best months since July 2022, right? And the Dow has had its best month since October of 2022. Treasury yields are down this morning. The question is, will this continue to run? A lot of analysts are saying that things are going to consolidate right now. And, some people are saying there is a recession coming Q1 now of 2024. I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't know if it's going to come or not. Look at what happened. The recession was supposed to come this year, right? But what happened? AI happened. AI just boosted us up. So the question is, was October lows the lows? Was October the lows of this month the lows of this year? So was October of this year the lows of this year, right? And was October of 2022 the lows of this entire cycle? Those are the questions that we may dive into later today. All right, good people, I got to show you this. I want you guys to do two things for me. Number one, for those of you that wanted to hear my testimony, here it is right here. This one is personal, and I wrote and produced a song on it, right? And so here's what I want you to understand. Here's what I also want you to see. When you go down here, I want you to see that I have extended the Black Friday sale, good people. I've extended the Black Friday sale. When? Until today. Today, if you want to get trained, this is it, good people. Basic fundamentals. I'm going over everything you need to know to make money. Stocks with Josh, with charting, okay? Options by Keenan Grace. These are for the ultimate beginners. They're not talking over your head. Basic fundamentals by Stock Curry. Listen, invest in yourself. Start your Christmas shopping today if you have not partaken of it. And I'm going to be adding a crypto. By Christmas, you're going to have a whole new chapter on crypto. And if you have already purchased the class, you never spend a dime more. This is a one-time payment, and you never pay again. Remember, the code is a STOCKUPBF. STOCKUPBF, and get a huge discount off. But this is it. This is it, good people. Start your Christmas shopping today. So today is the day, all right? And then lastly, I want you guys to, of course, download Mumu and get all of the stuff that Mumu is offering you guys, because it is Mumu Monday, okay? It is Mumu Monday, and Mumu still has 15 free stock. But more than anything, a lot of you guys have opened it, but you haven't funded it. Make sure if you already got it, just put more money in. You're going to get 5.1% on your uninvested cash, all right? That's more than a high yield savings, and is more than most bonds are giving you right now, right? So where are we on time? All right, we at 8:37, okay? So remember, Stock Up You has its sale. People, we have had more new members than we have had in the last 3 months now. Sign up. You guys are just phenomenal. My team and I was overwhelmed, and you guys are leaving positive, so many positive comments. Had I known this, I would have saved thousands, okay? And so Christmas starts today for you. Invest in you. And then if you really want to get I'm finna say jiggy with it. I haven't had my second cup of coffee. Then purchase another one for your children. All right, purchase another one for your children. Okay, if you're in the same house, you could share. They can watch yours. You cannot send that link out anywhere. But if you got a child in college and you really want them to succeed, buy them the class also. Okay, but take advantage of this huge discount. All right. I'm going to answer a few questions, and then we're going to end this. I'm just going to say a few hellos. Let's go back to the top. My man first, Kevin. Hey. All right. Hey, good morning. I miss you guys. Charles Harper, I missed you too. We got people from all over Michigan. All right, all right, all right. Grand Rising. Hey, good morning, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, David T. David, is that David Todd Whitley? All right, no, that's not David Todd. Hey, hey, good morning. All right, good people, please hit the like button, right? Hey, hey, good morning. Good morning. Yes, yes, the pleasure's all mine. Pleasure's all mine. Good morning. There's nothing good about morning, grand rising instead, please, family. I don't understand that one. All right. Hey, Dennis the Menace, what's going on? Hey, hey, good morning. Good morning, Chuck Shelton. All right. All right. What do we have here? Good morning, Uncle Larry and family, bringing love from Florida. Needed that inspiration yesterday. Michael Jackson. Hee hee. Michael Jackson. Hey, what he's talking about, good people, if you want to know what he is talking about, he's talking about, I left my personal story, and that's this one. This is called This One Is Personal, okay? And if you click on it, you're going to see this comes up, and I talk about my personal story, all right? I talk about my personal story, but just read some of the comments, okay? So what I'm going to do on that one is I'm going to edit out the beginning tomorrow, and I'm going to edit out my testimony so the song will just be there. And the song is called He Cares. And if you have any loved ones that are in yourselves, if you're suffering from loneliness, especially through these holidays, which are tough, including myself. Yeah, I have family, I'm blessed, but I did lose my mother, and it's still tough. And it wasn't that long ago, and it's tough for a lot of us that have loved ones that are gone. You know, the holidays are just not the same. So check that out, good people, and please leave me a comment, all right? I'm going to leave it right there, get you guys off to work. Let's see here. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yep. Well, you know what? And I know some people said this. I'm gonna look at that. You know, some people are saying, "Hey, you bought the course. They wish you had this discount." Look at the money you've made. So you have made or saved way more money than that discount. So just think about it that way. How much money do you need to invest in the stock market? Let's see here. How much money do you need to invest in the stock market to make money in the stock market? I never tell people how much they need. That I do tell people, but you never. You must be new, P Crown Vic. I do tell people how much money they need. How much money do you have? That's a good question, though. How much money do you have, right? So investing and trading are two different things. Investing is if you only have $5, and you got to be honest with yourself. If you're spending $5 a day or $10 a day at Starbucks and you're not investing, then that's on you. I'm telling you that you need to start. And I would say start with $10 a day because you can buy fractional shares. That's how much money you need. I can guarantee you're watching me on an iPhone or a Droid, something that costs around $1,000, then you invest $1,000. That's just what it is. I hear that all of the time, not you, but I hear the excuse all the time. I don't have enough money. Somebody told me that on a cruise. Really? You and your mate, you paid like $4,500 to get on this cruise, and you're telling me you don't have enough money to invest. People do what they want to do, right? But the people that's smart enough to invest in themselves first win, right? So that's how much money you need. And you're not going to get rich off of $5 a day. But what you're going to do is you're going to slow and steady start building generational wealth. All you got to do is look at you need to purchase the class. That's what you need to do because you will have so many mind-blowing aha moments that you will realize that this is a journey that you should have been on. They refuse to teach you in school and you're late, okay? But it's never too late. I have people that's starting that are 72. All right. Let's see here. Let me get one more in there. Hey, let Let me get one more question in here. Hi, Uncle Larry. How come some people are able to trade before the market? All right, this is the last one. Okay, so because you can too. With Mumu, you could trade pre-market. I trade before the market opens and I trade after it closes. You can do that with Mumu. You can do that with Webull, which I have both. All you have to do is check your broker and see if they offer that. And if you have a number to call your broker, then call them. But generally in the app, in your broker, you have to get permissions you have to register in your broker. And you can do it even after you've opened your broker. You have to get permission to trade pre-market and post-market. All right, good people. That's it. Black Friday sale. Black Friday sale is here. Remember, Stock Up BF. Stock Up, the letter B, the letter F, all in caps, no spaces. You get to get the discount, and you get to get the best that we offer for beginners. If you want to step in, you don't understand all of this technical stuff, Josh does a great job of getting you started with the basics. Talk to me like I'm 3. The same thing with options. I even do momentum trading with options. I'll also do momentum options and momentum trading. Okay, so that's Stock Up You. Today's the day to invest in yourself. Christmas starts today. Give yourself a Christmas gift and learn how to make generational money. We'll see you guys later on today. All right, live, love, laugh, and learn.